Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Grillin' One Too Big to Fail channel. I have put together today a review of the Buckmark 22 pistol. This particular pistol was made in 1993 and it's the first firearm that I purchased. I bought it I think in 1995. It is, well, if you look at firearms in the 19th and 20th century and how they were developed and who developed them, you realize that much of the advancement, much of within the development of firearms can be attributed to one man, John Moses Browning. Whether we're talking about the 1894 Winchester lever action rifle or the M1911 semi-automatic pistol or the M2 50 caliber machine gun still in production today, some 90 years after it was introduced, there is one name for firearms design, and the biggest one ever absolutely is John Moses Browning. And this particular gun is the direct result of one of his designs. This gun and all the Buckmark pistols are based on Browning's 1914 Colt Woodsman 22 semi. This one is only very slightly different from it. It's it certainly has the heart and soul of the Browning design. So anyway, the Buckmark is a blowback operated semi-automatic 10-round magazine target slash plinking slash hunting pistol. It is a serious beast. It weighs in at right about 34 ounces for this particular model. It is accurate as well as accurate as you could possibly have a 22 pistol be. It is amazing in that respect. It's and what's more is it's absolutely gorgeous too. You can see this one has been well used. I've put probably 20,000 rounds through it. You can see though that, safety check it here, everybody can see that it's empty. I checked it before. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've beat the heck out of it, and yet still it's just beautiful. A wonderful design, absolutely accurate. It'll eat just about any 22 ammunition. I always buy the cheapest stuff I can find. The best stuff I've found in general for it has been the Federal box ammunition, the 550 rounds. It just eats them one after another, and they only occasionally will misfire. This gun is just about the best firearm you could possibly have. I've subsequently bought other firearms and I've enjoyed them as well, but I always come back to this gun because of the economy of it and just the incredible shooting experience that you can get with this. I own a 9mm pistol. I own rifles. I found I'm much better shot with this than any other firearms I own. It's really just so amazingly accurate and so much fun to shoot that anyway, so I just wanted to offer my quick review of this wonderful, beautiful 22 pistol that I've owned for years and years and years, and that's been so great to me. Anyway, so that's it for me. Thank you for your attention, and I'm out.